Starting around 24 walk 2024, Solana explicitly is exchanging at $175.54 in term of its worst rate, with a value change of 3% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an extremely significant manner. Sol, for the most part, has a kind of complete market cap of $77,951, $708, $351 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $256, $910, $398 in a by and large significant manner. This certainly makes Solana Sol certainly positioning at 5 in the digital money market in a truly significant manner. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Solana cost expectation end of 2024, what will Solana especially be worth in 2024, which is very critical. Is Solana a truly wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2024 in a for the most part significant manner? Will Sol cost outperform its record-breaking high? Most certainly, in spite of prevalent thinking. These basically are our Solana cost expectations for Sol's future, which essentially is very huge. Solana Sol value expectation 2024 as per the Solana conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Sol cost truly is supposed to especially cross an especially normal value level of $233.71. The normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Solana toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to by and large be $226.82, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, Sol can arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $267.27 in an especially significant manner. Solana Sol value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Solana in walk 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $163.68 and $186.08, or so they thought. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around $180.91 in a kind of significant manner. Solana Sol value gauge April 2024. The Solana Sol cost for April 2024 may basically arrive at any rate worth of $179.44. While the truly most extreme determined cost in every way that really matters is around $195.12 in an especially significant way. The very normal cost for Sol certainly is somewhat anticipated to reach $186.33 in April 2024, showing that Solana Sol value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Solana in walk 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $163.68 and $186.08 in a genuinely huge manner. Solana Sol value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Solana cost explicitly is conjecture to in a real sense arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $183.31. Certainly further appearance how Solana Sol value expectation May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Solana cost basically is estimate to explicitly arrive at a scarcely the most minimal cost of $183.31, or so they generally thought. The Sol cost could truly arrive at a very most extreme cost of $204.44 with the sort of typical expected cost around $191.92, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Solana Sol value expectation June 2024. The cost for Solana in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $188.87 and $212.12, showing how Solana Sol value forecast May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Solana cost most certainly is gauged to by and large arrive at a practically the least cost of $183.31. Truly further appearance how Solana Sol value expectation May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Solana cost in every way that really matters is estimate to all things considered arrive at a particularly the least cost of $183.31, which truly is genuinely critical. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $195.76 in a sort of significant manner. Sol value figure July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Solana especially is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $196.70, which is very huge. The Sol cost could basically arrive at a most extreme cost of $209.25 with a really normal cost around $203.59 in an unpretentious manner. Solana value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the genuinely most extreme cost for Solana could stretch around $228.9, so Sol in a real sense has a complete market cap of $77 to $951, $708, $351 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $256, $910, $398, or so they especially thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Sol in August 2024 for the most part is $199.05 with an exceptionally normal cost of $207.67, or so they certainly thought. Sol value figure September 2024. Concerning September 2024. Solana truly is supposed to basically arrive at a truly least value worth of $207.36, showing that Solana value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Solana could basically stretch around $228.9. So Sol truly has an in every practical sense, complete market cap of $77 to $951, $708, $351 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $256 to $9 to $10, $398, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Sol cost could explicitly arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $238.47 with a fundamentally normal cost around $215.97, which most certainly is very huge. Solana Sol value conjecture October 2024. The Solana Sol cost for October 2024 may really arrive at a genuinely least worth of $211.68, while the sort of greatest determined cost for the most part is around $247.11, or so they truly thought. The sort of typical cost for Sol explicitly is by and large anticipated to reach $220.29 in October 2024 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Sol value estimate November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Solana by and large is supposed to truly arrive at an extremely least value worth of $208.99 in every way that really matters as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Sol cost could by and large arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $255.92 with a truly normal cost around $226.90, showing how Solana value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the especially greatest cost for Solana could generally stretch around $228.9, so Sol for the most part has a very all-out market cap of $77 to $951, $708, $351 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $256, $910, $398 in an unpretentious manner. Solana value expectation December 2024. Solana cost in a real sense is supposed to for the most part reach between $226.82 to $267.27 in December 2024, while the sort of typical cost of Sol for the December sort of stays around $233.71 Solana, especially past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been basically diminished by 0.83% in its especially current worth, or so they truly thought. Assuming we truly analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Sol with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap in every way that really matters is likewise down, which in a real sense is very huge. Solana generally is confronting a very tough time jumping aboard with in every way that really matters other crypto coins in a quite huge way. The Sol for the most part is down to nearly 861% in the essentially most recent 7 days